Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanaya and I'm making another rosemary hair growth recipe. In this video we're using rosemary, mint, beautiful. We're using cloves and we're also using ginger. So 4 simple ingredients. I'm taking my hot plate and a pot that has a lid, very important. And now all we're gonna do is add all of our ingredients into the pot, nice and neat. We're gonna fill our pot up with water. I use 2 bottles of water for this recipe, but you know, if you have a bigger pot, use more water. So yeah, 2 bottles of water, and you just want to make sure all of your herbs are covered. Give them a little mix, and you just want to allow this to come to a boil. So this is pretty much making tea without tea bags and without dry herbs. These are all fresh herbs except for the cloves. But they are not grounded, so yeah. So we're just gonna allow this to come to a boil. Cover that with a lid. And once we get a rapid boil and you can see the color start to fade, we're gonna turn this off and allow it to sit and steep. And I let mine steep for about an hour or 2. Now that everything is cooled off, I took my container and I added 20 drops of rosemary essential oil, but this step is optional. You can add this to the mixture or to your bottle first or after, doesn't really matter. Before I pour my hair growth juice or tea into my bottle, I'm obviously going to remove as many of the herbs as I can, and we're ready to package. Now we're going to package everything, and it wouldn't be my rosemary video if I didn't make a mess. But I'm definitely investing into a funnel. I can't believe I lost mine. But yeah, so before you transfer this concoction into a spray bottle, before you apply this on your hair, you always want to make sure you shake very well, whether you put essential oil in or not, but especially if you put essential oil in, because you don't want the essential oil directly onto the skin. You always want it to be diluted just to prevent any irritation. So I'll be storing my blue bottle in the freezer, and this spray bottle is what I'm going to be using throughout the week. And we're all done. This is so simple to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, there will be more coming, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.